Hello, my name is Nitasha, and I'm doing my presentation on Shaun. Shaun, we know the best shirt for you. We know that you do insanity workout videos, and we know that you do a lot of exercising. For your new insanity video, we came up with the best shirt possible. We know that your shirt needs to be lightweight, breathable, look good, and be flexible. With that in mind, we also know that we need to reach requirements. Our main requirement is that we're competing against Bangladesh. We want to make the best shirt, not Bangladesh. We also know that it has to be, again, lightweight, breathable, look good, and be flexible. We also know that it has to be under $50,000. And we want to reach those requirements because we know we can make the best shirt for you. We also know, along with your shirt, there's physical and chemical properties. Physical properties such as elasticity. Elasticity is physical property because you're moving around, you're making your shirt stretch, you're going to be moving around doing exercises for your new insanity video. Chemical properties such as oxidation and hydrolysis. Both very hard words to say. Oxidation means we need your shirt to be able to react with the oxygen in the air. We don't want anything funky to happen. Hydrolysis, meaning it reacts with water. So say if you're sweating because you're doing your insane workouts, we don't want your shirt to dissolve or all of a sudden get stains in weird places. We know that our main focus for you, which is your physical properties of interest, is flexibility. Flexibility, again, because you're doing insane workouts, so you need your shirt to be able to move with your muscle, move with the exercise you're doing, and not hold you back from doing something amazing. We know that there's 4 possible categories that we can make your shirt out of. One is metal, ceramic, polymer, and wood fibers. We know also that your first priority is tensile strength and elasticity. Tensile strength and elasticity will make your shirt durable, able to work in, and everything. Melting point and hardness are your second priorities. If you look at this chart, you can tell that tensile strength and elasticity are both very low for polymers and wood fibers. These are metals and ceramics. So we showed that polymers and wood fibers are the most in common. We also know that polymers and wood fibers are the best for your shirt because 1, again, you'll be able to do your workouts in, and 2, it's also going to be breathable, like you're going to be able to breathe through your shirt. Also, with that, we know that in the category of all 4 of them, we chose polymer. Polymer because not only is it good for shirt materials, but it also contains anything plastic, DNA, proteins, silly putty, rubber, and even hair nails or cellulose. Polymer is a broad topic, so we narrowed it down to 1, and we chose polyester, which is a polymer. Polyester is durable, it also is resistant to most chemicals, and it also is stretches and shrinks. And it's wrinkle resistant, which is really good because we don't want your shirt to look bad on screen and everyone seeing your shirt. Also, polyester is hydrophobic, another hard word to say, but hydrophobic means molecules that are nonpolar and repel from water. Hydrophobic in nature means that it's good looking and it's quick drying, good for material, hard and won't dry out, or also won't wrinkle too much, and it's good for nature because it also doesn't wear out. And you're going to do a lot of exercises, so you don't want your shirt to wear out. And it's also used for insulation manufacturing hollow fibers. If you look right here, this is polyester, and polyester retains its shape, so we don't want your shirt to be able to start stretching out when you're doing your insanity videos and look too big. We want it to show your shape, but also be elastic, which will mean it will stretch. It's also washable and dryable. We know you're going to be sweating in it, and we know that you're going to have to wash it quite a few times. Looking specifically at polyester, polyester is a covalent bonding. It also has carbon, which has little electronegativity. Polyester contains, in its formula, contains carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. Again, our main focus is elasticity because you need to be able to move around in this shirt. So if we look specifically at elasticity in the few slides, you understand why we chose elasticity. Also, in the formula of polyester, bonds, there's tons of bonds and the formula is very long. So we substitute N because the formula is way too long to write out. As you see in the model right here is polyester all crunched up. And we chose elasticity, so it's stretch out. So if your material is all tight, you're not going to be able to do your exercises in. So this is what it would look like if it's all scrunched up and you can't do your exercises. The next picture over here is where it's pulled out, which is the elasticity. And then in between the atoms is the electron cloud. The crunched up elasticity and the stretched out elasticity of the polyester. And this is not just polyester, one part of like the whole polyester formula, but this is like part of what polyester would look like if you zoomed in really far when it's elastic. The next slide shows the polyester formula. The polyester formula is very long, so again we substitute N. And we also know that this isn't the full part of the polyester formula, so we only chose one chunk of it. And we also know that polyester is not only a broad topic, so we narrowed it down to one topic of polyester, which is polyonitrile. And polyonitrile is a polymer, and it's a polymer because polyonitrile is a monomer. A monomer is a molecule that binds chemically with other molecules to form a polymer. That's why it's a polymer. Also, if you look at the loosened dot structure, you can see that carbon and nitrogen repeat constantly in the loosened dot structure in the formula. So we circle that as it repeating multiple times, and also polyonitrile bonds with hydrogen, carbon, and nitrogen. Also, we know that polyonitrile is not only an element of polyester, but that it also is good for clothing if you want to focus more on polyonitrile. Lastly, we know that, Shanti, you want a shirt that's flexible, dryable, looks good, breathable, and not only is it going to be elastic, but it's also going to be able to showcase everything that you can possibly do in your exercises. We hope you choose our t-shirt, and good luck.